Before we check in with Jess, let's check in with you. Tom captured this scene on Moosehead Lake earlier today. Some deer were out on the ice enjoying the lake. Great stuff here, Tom. Thanks for sharing it with us. And if you're watching right now, remember you too can send us your photos and videos using the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app. Love it up there this time of year, man.
Yeah, so pretty, so pretty.
It looks like there's snow falling now, right?
Yeah, a little bit of snow in some parts of the state right now. Not going to be a big deal for the morning commute, which is good, of course. And then tomorrow, it's going to feel like spring again. And then by the end of the week, it's almost going to feel like summer with temperatures in the 60s. Right now, still fairly cool out there. 37 in Bangor, 39 in Portland. Lewiston's at 37 and Augusta's at 38. You'll notice though in the mountains, temperatures there in the low to mid 30s. That's where we're seeing the snow. Although notice the rain snow line slowly shifting to the east, and it should continue to do that over the next couple of hours. But there's not a lot of precipitation, really not a lot of moisture left. So this is going to continue to push off to the east again as we go through really just the next few hours. And then by tomorrow morning, things are looking good. Should be pretty quiet out there. And eventually tomorrow afternoon, we should clear out and temperatures will warm up quite a bit as well. Not as warm as they'll get Friday though. We'll get to that in just a minute. So going through the overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning, this is 3 a.m. and you can still see a little bit of snow along the down east coast into some interior portions of central Maine, but that's really about it. And then by early tomorrow morning, again, that snow continues to push east. 6 a.m. we're seeing mainly cloudy skies out there. But we will clear out as we head into tomorrow afternoon, and those temperatures will warm up eventually once we get that sun out. Look at how things heat up fairly quickly. Low to mid 40s. I think we could even see some upper 40s to low 50s tomorrow afternoon. Again, with that sun, it's going to be nice for things to warm up quite a bit. And then as we go into the day on Thursday, things looking pretty quiet again. High temperatures on Thursday, low 50s for some of us by the time we get into the afternoon hours. A couple showers here possible closest to the coast. I think most of us will stay dry though. Okay, so the snowfall forecast overnight tonight, an inch or two for many of us. Again, it's going to be that slushy kind of wet heavy snow. You'll notice in southern Maine, especially closest to the coast, less than an inch because it's still raining. We do have another couple hours for it to accumulate, but for most of us, it's going to stay mainly rain with a few wet snowflakes mixing in. So Thursday's quiet. Friday is quiet as well, but we're going to have some very warm air in place for the day on Friday, and temperatures should be able to warm up significantly ahead of this. We'll have those winds coming out of the south. That means temperatures will make it into the 60s for many of us. Saturday and Sunday, though, you'll notice look kind of not ideal. Rainy on Saturday, and then I think many of us will see at least a little bit of wet snow mixing in on Sunday, which interestingly enough is the first day of spring. We're going to start that with some snow because it's Maine. That's what we like to do. All right, Friday's high temperatures again, upper 50s, lower 60s. We're kind of back to normal though as we go into the weekend and into the beginning of next week. Here's your marine forecast for tomorrow. Sees around 2 feet. Winds will be from the north at 5 to 10, becoming southwesterly by tomorrow afternoon. So quiet really tomorrow morning. Once we get this snow through and out of here by very early tomorrow, I mean 4 or 5 a.m., this will be clearing the coast, even the down east coast. We'll clear out. It'll be mild tomorrow, upper 40s to around 50, low to mid 50s for the day on Thursday. A couple sprinkles possible Thursday night into early Friday, especially closest to the coast. But Friday afternoon, man, we're going to be at the beach. I'm off Friday. I don't know about you, but I'm off. So I'll be at a Higgins.
I better get on that.
Yeah. And then kind of rainy and maybe a little snow this weekend too.
All right. Thanks, Jess.
Thanks.